Hi gorgeous! Today we are going to show you how to create your red copper brown hair color without needing to bleach the root. We will prepare two separate bowls using the same hair color. For the root, we are mixing 5 Energy Natural Red Gold and 6 RC and red copper from Joico with a 20 volume developer. For the rest of the hair, we are using the same 5 Energy and 6 RC, adding a tiny bit of 7N with a 6 volume developer. After the color process, we will apply Aranco chiffon style mousse to the added volume, using comb to distribute the product evenly and gently throughout the hair. Look at this beautiful dark red brown shade with a copper tone. I love it so much. Here is the before color melting with lifting her root. Her natural black hair has growing out about 2 inch. So bad. This is after 3 hours of the hair service with Sohei. Love this fancy red brown copper color. This is also low maintenance and perfect for everyone. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.